Welcome. In front of me is a BIGME HIBREAK, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with a device. Might not look as nice as this one. And if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip. It's tighten on one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the top left side of the phone. Right here where the pin is holding. And I push it in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. Now here we have space for, quickly check, but this looks like a dual SIM. Nope, never mind. So we have space for one SIM card and one SD card. Now you'd place SIM card right here, like so. And obviously the SD card would go in the tray right here, dedicated spot. I don't have an SD card that I can use right now for this, so you just place it here. And then carefully insert it back into your device. When you do so, as you can see, the device will start reading the card right away, so it's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin. And that's it. So that's all you need to do, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.